Welcome to our in-depth look at the latest advancements in Autodesk Revit 2027. This release introduces a suite of powerful features designed to streamline workflows, enhance productivity, and foster greater collaboration across the architecture, engineering, and construction industry. While Revit 2027 is packed with general enhancements and discipline-specific updates for architecture, structure, and MEP, this video will focus primarily on the general features supporting architectural workflows and the architectural specific improvements. Let's delve into what's new. Autodesk Revit 2027 makes a significant leap into the realm of artificial intelligence with the official integration of the Autodesk Assistant. This innovative feature provides personalized, context-aware conversational automation, meticulously tailored to the complex demands of the AEC workflow. By leveraging AI, the Assistant aims to significantly enhance user productivity and optimize design processes. Its core capabilities encompass intelligent product help, sophisticated model queries, and efficient task automation. The Autodesk Assistant can be activated directly from the user interface drop-down within the View tab or by a dedicated button. Once activated, users can interact with this AI assistant to ask questions, query the model for specific information, and automate common repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time for more critical design considerations. It's important to note that this is currently a tech preview, and we anticipate continuous updates and refinements over time, further expanding its capabilities. Let's explore its practical applications. For instance, we can query the model for specific data, such as the number of wall types that lack a defined fire rating value. The Autodesk Assistant processes this request through a series of intelligent computations, ultimately providing a precise answer. Beyond querying, the Assistant can automate schedule creation. We can prompt it to generate a window schedule that includes parameters like family name, width, height, and level, sorted by levels, and even calculate the total number of windows per level. Upon completion, the Assistant will indicate the precise location of the generated schedule. Examining the schedule, we'll observe a title, Window Schedule, along with the current date, ensuring clarity and traceability. The AI's ability to accurately and comprehensively populate schedules with all its specified parameters, sorted by level, is a testament to its impressive capability. While the Autodesk Assistant exceeds at information retrieval and schedule generation, its model modification capabilities are still in the tech preview phase. For example, attempting to modify the sill height of all doors on a specific level using a prompt might encounter challenges, especially with grouped elements. While ungrouping allows for individual adjustments, this highlights that while querying information is highly reliable, relying solely on the Assistant for extensive model modifications is an area under active development. This intelligent assistant represents a pivotal step towards more intuitive and efficient BIM workflows. Revit 2027 introduces significant enhancements to tag leaders, offering users unprecedented control and flexibility in annotation. Both the start and end points of tag leaders can now be set to free, allowing for manual positioning with greater precision. This enhanced control over tag outline geometry enables more accurate snapping of leader positions. When creating or editing tag families within the family editor, a new parameter, Exclude from Leader Outline, allows specific elements within the tag to be excluded from the tag's outline geometry. This ensures that the leader attaches precisely where intended. A common challenge in collaborative projects is maintaining visual consistency across linked models, especially when different line width definitions are in use. Revit 2027 addresses this by introducing the ability to specify whether linked models should adhere to the host models or their own linked models line width table. This feature is crucial for improving visual consistency when host and linked models utilize divergent line width definitions for the same object styles. Users can access this control within Revit Link Display Setting dialog, ensuring a unified visual precision across all project components. Multi-category tags have been fully integrated into core tagging workflows in Revit 2027, making it simpler to apply consistent annotation across supported categories. This enhancement significantly streamlines the tagging process. Users can now assign multi-category tags directly within the loaded tags and symbols dialog, where they appear alongside category-specific tags and can be designated as defaults. This integration promotes greater efficiency and consistency in annotation, particularly in complex models with diverse elements. Collaboration and coordination models often involves reviewing multiple iterations. Revit 2027 significantly enhances this process when comparing two versions of a coordination model from the cloud. Users can now view detailed property differences for a selected sensed element directly within the Senses Details palette. This palette provides a side-by-side comparison of values from each version, clearly identifying the type of sense. This includes analytical, construction, dimensional, identity, and IFC-related properties. The IFC export setup dialog in Revit 2027 has been updated with an intuitive interface for mapping parameters to IFC property sets during export. This enhancement allows users to map existing parameters to predefined IFC property sets or to create and manage user-defined property sets directly, all without the need to edit complex IFC text configuration files. This significantly streamlines the data exchange process, ensuring greater accuracy and interoperability with other BIM software platforms, which is crucial for effective open BIM workflows. While accelerated graphics is not entirely new, Revit 2027 sees a significant upgrade from its previous tech preview status to a production-ready feature. Following continuous improvements, expanded visual support, enhanced linked model handling, and optimized 3D workflows, accelerated graphics is now fully robust and demanding modeling and navigation tasks. Accelerated views specifically enhance the display and coordination of linked Revit models. This includes proper display of 3D elements from discipline-specific link models, improved performance even with numerous or repeated link instances, and consistent behavior of link models using supported override settings. Section box manipulation within accelerated views is now real-time and GPU-driven. This eliminates the trial and error placement process often associated with the standard views and significantly improves 3D sectioning workflows, offering immediate visual feedback. Afternoon overrides are now fully supported in accelerated views, ensuring visual consistency with standard Revit views. Afternoon dimming is also enabled for non-editable elements in sketch and edit modes, which subsequently improves usability during complex modeling tasks. Furthermore, accelerated views now accurately respect transparency overrides, which enhances the communication of design intent and coordination clarity as transparency behavior aligns seamlessly with supported override settings. To enhance model organization and data management, Revit 2027 introduces rule-based numbering for model elements. This powerful tool can be accessed via the Manage tab within the Settings panel by clicking on the Numbering push button. This feature allows users to define custom rules for numbering various model elements, providing a consistent and automated approach to element identification. This is particularly useful for large-scale projects where manual numbering would be time-consuming and prone to errors, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in documentation and quantity takeoffs. Revit 2027 provides greater control over the numbering, visibility, and annotation of stair treads and risers. Users now have a new option for numbering treads, which can be quickly applied to stairs using the Stair Tread Riser Number tool. While previous versions of Revit might have grayed out the Edit Type button for type parameters, Revit 2027 unlocks this functionality, allowing for significant customization. Users can now change not only the color, font, and font size, but also extensively modify both the graphics and text for the above cut mark. By simply checking tick marks and making the desired graphical and text changes, users can achieve a distinct graphical style and custom text for the above cut mark. This feature is incredibly helpful for clearly distinguishing the number of steps above the cut plane, significantly improving presentation clarity and documentation standards. The Wall tool in Revit 2027 received several important improvements, offering greater control and flexibility during wall placement. Users can now check or uncheck the room bounding parameter before creating walls. In earlier Revit versions, this option could only be checked after wall creation, which meant additional modification steps. This enhancement provides greater control during initial wall placement, eliminating the need for post-creation parameter adjustments. Additionally, two wall placement tools previously introduced in Revit 2026 within the placement panel are now seamlessly integrated into the draw panel. The corresponding supporting tools are also included within the ribbon, removing the need for the option bar, thus streamlining the interface. A significant new capability is the ability to create walls hosted on other walls. This hosted wall functionally helps maintain alignment and coordinated behavior through a host relationship. Hosted walls will now follow their host's geometry and support offsets, rehosting, scheduling, and view control. When hosted wall is enabled, users can place hosted wall by selecting existing walls using place by room or a single wall using place by segment. The auto join feature ensures that doors and windows correctly penetrate both the host and the hosted wall. Furthermore, users can now flip wall orientation before placement when using create walls by room or create walls by segment. This improvement enhances control and minimizes post-placement adjustments, ensuring accurate wall placement from the outset. The energy model in Revit 2027 features significant enhancements aimed at improving energy analysis and overall usability. The Energy Model Guide provides an intuitive interface that assists users in understanding the most critical settings for generating the energy model. Specifying settings within this guide directly influences the settings found in the Energy Model Settings dialog. The Energy Settings dialog itself has been reorganized for improved usability. Key improvements include the dialog now displays only the settings relevant to the selected mode, reducing clutter. The Rooms or Spaces mode has been separated into two distinct modes for clearer distinction. The Reports folder path has been relocated to the System Analysis dialog. Irrelevant settings have been removed, streamlining the interface. With these refined settings, the energy model creation process has been enhanced by improved clipping algorithm. This results in more closed edges, improved geometric accuracy, and increased efficiency. Extensive testing has demonstrated measurable improvements in performance and accuracy compared to previous versions, leading to more reliable and comprehensive energy performance insights. Revit 2027 expands the embodied carbon analysis scope to include additional Revit elements, particularly structural elements, when working with cloud models. This enhancement provides a more comprehensive sustainability assessment of projects. With this expanded scope, users can submit analysis to Forma Carbon Insights, leveraging its powerful analytical capabilities. Include additional structural element data, providing a more complete picture of embodied carbon. Ensure that the latest model data is always used for analysis, guaranteeing accuracy. Revit 2027 significantly strengthens collaboration in Forma Carbon Insights by allowing sustainability analysis data to be accessed and shared within cloud-based project environments. This enhancement is crucial for fostering information decision-making across project teams. Users can now seamlessly share sustainability analysis results linked to cloud work-shared Revit models and Forma building design models through the collaborative insight workflow. This capability empowers project stakeholders to open cloud models or cloud-shared Revit models or Forma building design models, analyze or expand the model within Forma Carbon Insight, share sustainability analysis data within the collaborative project environment. This feature facilitates coordinated decision-making by ensuring sustainability data is readily accessible to all relevant team members, promoting a more integrated approach to sustainable design. A new Collaborative Insights section is now available in the Insight app home. Key aspects of Collaborative Insights include availability exclusively for Revit Cloud models and Forma building design models, robust permissions and access control. Sustainability analysis data is intrinsically associated with the model, ensuring context and consistency. This enhancement is critical for conducting thorough and reliable sustainability assessments, empowering designers to make more environmentally conscious decisions. Revit 2027 introduces enhanced carbon parameters on materials, facilitating more informed decision regarding environmental impact. Each material in the updated material library is now pre-mapped to a carbon category from EC3, and existing materials within the project can be assigned relevant carbon assets. This integration streamlines the process of tracking and managing embodied carbon. Materials with an assigned carbon asset will now display a carbon info indicator which supports filtering and quick identification. A new carbon tab within material properties displays detailed carbon information, including carbon dataset reference, carbon category classification, EC coefficient value. This feature is invaluable for design teams seeking to minimize the embodied carbon footprint of their projects by providing readily accessible and filterable carbon data at the material level. In summary, these are some of the most impactful new features introduced in Autodesk Revit 2027. From intelligent automation with the Autodesk Assistant to enhanced graphical control, improved collaboration tools, and expanded sustainability analysis capabilities, this release is poised to significantly empower AEC professionals. If you found this detailed breakdown helpful, please like and share this video and subscribe for more tech-related content designed to keep you at the forefront of the industry. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep building smarter, designing better.